Okay, so you can see here, I have my head tag. And basically what these head tag does is when you click on a website, it just shows you the title of the website you're viewing right now. And then I have my body tag right here. And the body tag, what it does is it just shows all the words, paragraphs, descriptions that you want your website to look like and show. First thing you see is I have this giant title called My Website. And basically, I'm using the H1 tags, as you can see here. And what this does, it's making it a bold title. And then I also said favorite things to bake, but you can tell that this is a lot smaller and bolder, and that my number over here increased. That's because in HTML, as you increase these numbers, it also only goes up to 6. The text size and boldness gets a lot lower. So you can see H5, let's change this to H6, which is the highest amount you can go. You can tell that's so small, but if we change it to, let's say, H2, it gets a lot bigger. Right after under that, I have the P tag. And P tag, it just stands for paragraph tag. In my paragraph tag, I said I love to bake muffins, cakes, cookies, I enjoy swimming, hiking, and I like to watch the movies with my friends. So in my paragraph tag, I just wrote my words in between this. And also previously, this whole thing is called an HTML element or a P element, since we're starting with P. After I like to bake muffins, cakes, you can also tell I have this interesting looking tag. This is called the break tag. And what this tag does is it just breaks up the amount of lines because it's telling the computer, okay, take the line after the previous line and just put it on a different line, which is why also over here, I added that on. It's broken up into 3 different lines. If I take this out and I run it, it's all going to be on the same line. We can also add in more information using a P tag, paragraph tag, and saying I enjoy playing soccer with my friends. And that's going to go ahead and add that onto our website console. And this is just how you introduction to HTML and how you can add elements to your website.